welcome back to my channel. This is Kenny Debbie. So in today's video we're going to be talking about how to ventilate beginners friendly. So it has been a long time I've been willing to do this video for you guys, and I'm very sorry for keeping you guys waiting for the video. So let's go straight to the video. I'm here with some material. And I'm going to be explaining a lot of things about the materials before going to how to ventilate. So these are the basic things you just need to learn on how to ventilate. And the first equipment that is here is our ventilating needle. So this is how it's looking like. I hope you guys can see it. So ventilating needles comes in different, like when you buy it, it comes with different pins. We have 4 pins. We have the one that picks 2 strands, the one that picks 1 strand, the one that picks 3 and 4. That's how ventilating pins comes. And for you guys, those that are willing to know where to get it, you can get it on AliExpress or what's the name of this place? Or Amazon. So that's the place that you can actually get it, or you can get it in some local vendor, because I also get this in the market near my place. Another material that is essential in ventilating is your mannequin head. So this is my mannequin head, and in case you guys do not have a mannequin head, you can make use of a canvas head. Professionally, you are supposed to make use of canvas head, but because of so I'm still making use of a mannequin head, and this is very helpful. But for those of you that need to be professional, you can just make use of canvas head. We have canvas head in different sizes. We have 22, we have 24. It comes in different sizes. And another materials you are going to be needing for today. So this is my Swiss lace. This is how the Swiss lace is looking like. And when I bought this, I bought a yard. But we have Swiss lace in a lot of form. This is yard. We have the one that is already cut down. We have 2x2, we have 2x5, we have 2x6, we have 5x5, we have 4x4, we have different. And you know that our for you to make a frontal, that's 13. This place is always 13. So we can have 13x4, 13x5. So it's already cut out. But this yard is really helpful. You just measure it and you make use of it. So how much did I get this? I get this that's last year. I got it. Is it not 5k per yard? But I don't know how much they are selling it now. And another material we're going to be needing for this video is either you make use of your attachment or air bundle. So that's the material we are needing for today's video. So let's go straight to the video. And guys, if you just find this video helpful, 1 or 2 things about the material, you can just give this video a thumbs up, and to like and to subscribe, and let's go straight to the video.
So guys, thanks for watching. Click on the next link to watch the other video.